Over the past couple years, the state and court system have gone back and forth about how to interpret Iowa's law banning books from school libraries that contain sex acts and alerting parents to students using a different name or pronouns at school. The law has been put on pause once again, and our Connor O'Neill tells us what that means for our schools.
A federal judge concluded Tuesday that there's no prior legal example to reason why the state can ban all books that illustrate or describe sex acts from school libraries and classrooms, meaning that law is put on pause for now, and school districts can add back any books it might have pulled from its shelves last year when the law was active after a federal circuit court overturned a prior legal block and stated the district court didn't apply the correct analysis to determine why it blocked the law in the first place. Plaintiffs, including best-selling authors and the Iowa State Education Association, have argued the state's law is overly broad and age-indifferent.
And so what this is about is giving the parents that do want their children to read broadly the opportunity to do so without interference from the state.
Defendants said the law is common sense and makes certain that the books kids have access to in school classrooms and libraries are age-appropriate. The court concluded the removal of hundreds of books through this law is a violation of the First Amendment for depriving students of the ability to read those books and authors and publishers of the ability to reach their intended audiences.
In the most immediate sense, we're talking about thousands and thousands of books that, at least for the time being, should be back on the shelves. That's our expectation. And, there's going to be a timeline that the courts will develop for this. But realistically, the school year, the book should be back and probably going into next school year as well.
Reporting from Des Moines, Connor O'Neill, Local 5 News.
When the law was first enacted, Urbandale School District pulled hundreds of books from its school libraries. Now, with the injunction in effect, the district told us it will consult with its lawyers moving forward to remain in compliance.